got.
Why do I have to go over
Come with me. Come here with me.
Go see your brother, Rat.
Go see Reese Cup. Go see the Reese Cup.
Oh, it's the end of the world,
What
huh?
happened, sweetie?
He
Alright.
He took my fuzz. He took my fuzz. Let him get up on his own.
took my books.
Reese, stop.
Reese, stop.
Reese, stop it. Leave
Rat,
him alone.
come here, bud. Rat. Get out of the way. We're trying to look at. We know how you can walk. Daddy.
Lollipoppy and no Dada.
Okay, fine. Get your moment in the sun.
See, he pulls all the pillows down.
Move. I'm trying to get Rat. Get behind him, and then we can get both of you.
No!
Oh, we found his fuzz again.
No!
Reese, stop. Give it to him.
No!
Give it to him.
Not
I'm not giving you any buttons then.
Rat, come on.
That's what you're doing to him. You're
Come
being
on.
ugly. Oh, well, maybe get Reese because he's pouting again. Show Reese. He's pouting. Stop it. You're about to go to bed.
I want buttons.
Okay, go to the bathroom.
No!
You have a choice. You can either go to the bathroom for timeout or you can go to bed right now. Where do you want to go? Do you want to go to timeout or do you want to go to bed? Go to timeout. Oh, did you shut the door on him? You gotta take care of him. You gotta take care of him. He took your fuzz. He took your fuzzy fuzz, huh? You little trash keeper. Oh, there's some fuzz. There's something. No, I don't want that. Hi, love bug. Hello, sweetheart. No, don't you bite my chair. No, just sweetie. Little sweet baby. Mama's angel fish. My angel fish.
Stop hogging him, Mia. You can't see him on the
I
camera.
love that baby. Go see daddy. Go see daddy.
Silly. So, I was thinking make him cough.